Struggling to keep your commercial space clean? Traditional vacuums just can't keep up with the demands of your business. What if there was a smarter way to keep your floors spotless? Meet the ILIFE X1000, India's finest commercial robotic vacuum cleaner. With powerful 20,000 pascal suction, it handles carpet, wood, laminate, and tile, making dirt disappear in seconds. Enjoy up to 200 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, perfect for large spaces, so you can focus on running your business. Join the thousands who trust ILIFE X1000 for a cleaner workspace. Ready to upgrade your cleaning process? Visit our website for a 15-day trial now. ILIFE X1000, India's finest commercial robotic vacuum cleaner.